Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to clear the RAM cache in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can go and check the RAM cache by pressing search at the bottom, type in Task Manager. You need to come to the Performance tab, go and select Memory. Now we can come into Cached, and you'll see 4.6 gigabytes. Let's go and clear this. Open a web browser of your choice and you want to go and type in something called RAM map, that's one word. Come to the Microsoft site at the top here and you can go and find the Download RAM map option right at the top. You need to come into your File Explorer, press Downloads to the left. You've got the zip file here which you can click on and press Extract All. You can also go and right-click on it to extract it as well, and then press Extract. Go and find the RAM map. You can then go and double-click on it like so. You get a security pop-up, wait for it to load. It's loaded, press Empty at the top, and you can press Empty Standby List. Now you go and see the cache drops as you can see.